magdasal. Sabay-sabay po tayo bumago.
We are here hoping to help as much as we can. Because there's a lot of need and I hope that a lot of more people will come. Because there's a lot of work going on. Hold tight, you will get the help. We will try everything we can to help you guys.
Bambi?
Huwag po silang mawalan ng pag-asa. Isa lang po yung hamon ng buhay. Basta po, lagi po silang magbaon ng nandun.
Eat? 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 Galing mo ah. Sinin, nakinig.
For a minimum donation of 100 pesos to benefit the relief of the Yolanda victims.
Ang ganda naman ni Louie ko. Ang ganda-ganda naman niyang napakakulit kong baby. Yeah.